Well, my dear students, in the previous session we discussed more information about the meaning of circular letters and format of circular letters. So, today we discuss more information about this, that is drafting of circular letters and introducing the new product and services. Here the new product introduction letter is written when a company wants to inform new or existing customers of a new product. It is written to describe the new product in the market. Then this letter is written by the company owner or a person appointed to represent the company. It is addressed to existing and potential customers in the business industry. Such a letter is important to educate people about the new product. It gives relevant information about the product to potential and existing customers to make them curious to try the product and market it, and it can be used to extend an invitation for business proposal with potential customer. Then this letter provides information to help a customer decide on whether to try the product or not. A company can also use this letter to collect feedback about the product. Then a new product introduction letter is written when a company wants to inform a new or existing customers of a new product. It is written to describe the new product in the market. Then this letter is written by the company owner or a person appointed to represent the company. It is addressed to the existing and potential customer of the business industry, in the business industry. Then such a letter is important to educate people about the new product, to give relevant information about the product to potential and existing customers to make them curious to try the product and to make it. It can be used to extend invitation for a business proposals with potential customers. This letter provides information to help the customer decide on whether to try the product or not. A company can also use this letter to collect feedback about the product. Generally, tips for writing the sample new product introduction letter is: first one is introduce yourself properly. It is the first content. Next, give relevant details about the new product. Then highlight what you hope to achieve the product. Then mention past business experience with the readers, if any. Next one, extend the appreciation to an existing customers. Then enclose a pamphlet with more details about the product. Then use polite language. Then maintain a cheerful and optimistic tone. Then mention attractive offers that comes with the new product. Then keep it short and relevant. Then when your company has launches a new product, it appreciate to inform customers about it. Check out new product introduction letter templates and sample letters for your reference. Then at the time of drafting the circular letters, the following points should be considered. First one, capture and arouse readers' interest in the opening paragraph. It is the main contents. Secondly, give the personal touch by writing in a friendly tone and conversation style by addressing like dear reader, dear shareholder, dear customer, dear sir, dear friend, etc. Like that words are followed. Then print in the letter an attractive and quality paper with suitable letter heading. It is another essential. Then be precise but informative. Be precise but informative. It is essential features. Then use appropriate tone. Then thank the readers for their trust and cooperation. Then another information is mention the main contents of the letter in the first paragraph. For example, in case of change of address of premises, new address may be given in the first paragraph. Similarly, in case of introduction of new product, the name of the new product should be mentioned in the opening paragraph, like that. Then explain the benefits and utilities of the new premises, product or proposal to the customer and other parties. And lastly, ensure the readers your personal attention in futures. These are all the main contents of this letter. Then the new product introduction letter templates, the format. Here also it is written in full block style. According to that, the head address are written in left side corner. That is also called as from address. After completion of the from address, we write the date. It contains the date on which the letter is written. The full date is mentioned. After completion of the date, the inside address, it is also written in left side corner. Because it is the full black format. The inside address also mentioned. Thereafter, salutation and subject, it is also written in starting from the right side corner of the letters. Here the subject matter is summarized in one sentence. Then salutation is also written in right side corner. Then the body of the letter, generally it is written in at least in 3 paragraphs. That is opening paragraph, main paragraphs and the closing paragraph. In the opening paragraph is the introductory paragraph. The second point is the main paragraph. It contains the main contents are included in the second paragraph. Last one is the concluding paragraph. According to that, the format here, that means the name of the company are mentioned. The company are delighted to introduce our new product in the market. Firstly, we thank you for your support in purchasing our product. For here, the number of years is mentioned, at least 10 years, 4 years, 5 years, like that. The number of years are mentioned. We introduce the new product. The name of the product is mentioned, that has excellent features that will be fit for our customers for all ages and professions. It is in first paragraph, that is in introductory point. Then dash has been tested by you, that is mentioned in that column, by your specialist and voluntaries, and we have not received and negative feedback. It has also been certified by the relevant bodies. Then we aim to producing products to enhance efficiency and convenience. This is what this product does. We highly recommended it to you because you are our esteemed customers. Then in the next paragraph we continue its benefits include dash and dash, that is what are the benefits are mentioned in that column, and kindly find a leaflet attached. Herewith with more details about the products, we also provide sample for you to test according to your company's requirements. We assure you of the excellent result from this product. Then in the next paragraph, that is in the closing paragraph, we shall offer the percentage of discount is mentioned in that column. The discount of products brought in bulk. In case of bulky purchase, the percentage is generally mentioned in that column. We look forward to hearing from you and continuing our business partnership. Please let us know of your decision on the product. Then the complimentary clause are mentioned in the left side corner, that is thank you for your time and consideration, yours faithfully. Then mention the writer's name. Then thank you.